Okay, so today we're going to do something very simple. We're going to get a picture and we're going to make it look like a cartoon. We're going to do that using Canva, right? So let's go ahead here and go online. Let's go to Canva. There we are. And I already have a picture uploaded, but we're going to do it just from the beginning. Click design right here, go to uploads, and then you're going to find your picture. Once you find your picture, you're going to upload it, obviously, and it's going to give you couple different choices. It's going to say this right here, use in a new design. I'm going to click that one right there, and then we're going to give it a custom size. This picture is 2316 by 3088. Let's go ahead and click enter there, and let's go ahead and go into the picture. Now what you're going to do, it's pretty simple. You're going to come over here to the applications on the left, click there, and just type cartoon. There it is, this one right here, Nify right there, right? And it's going to give you a couple different choices. One is for text. This one right here, the first one, is going to be to make that picture look like a cartoon. So we're just going to click in there. It's going to say choose a file, but if you click on the picture, boom, it's going to replace by Cartoonify and replace. So let's click that. It's going to take a minute. And there you have it, guys. So simple. From there, just very simple. Click share, and you can click right here, download, and you could download that picture and share wherever you want. Okay, so super simple way to make a picture look like a cartoon. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.